Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the interface language for our Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to change the interface language. Well, right here, as you can see, my interface language is currently in English. Now let's simply try to change the interface language. At the top right next to your profile picture, you will see these three lines. Click on it. Once you do, something like this will open up. As you can see, there are multiple options like notification, download app, or simply English and try. Right now, all you need to do is gonna click on this globe-like icon right here. And that is it. From here, you can simply change your language and reason. Well, here it is, guys. I'm simply gonna select a language right here. And that is it. Once you select a language, the whole interface language will have been changed. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we change the interface language for the Bitget wallet. If you guys found this video informative and content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.